Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Logan Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create your own NFTs for free and then you sell it for a lot of fortune. You all agree with me that right now we are in the NFT season where a lot of people are talking about NFT and how NFT have made a lot of money for them as an individual. You too can also do the same. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to create your own NFTs and then you list it and then you can start making money from it. So before I continue, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and also share it to those who might be looking for videos like this. Do well to subscribe and then turn on the notification button so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop videos like this. Do well to go to the comment section and type NFT so that we can create an algorithm and make this video to go a long way. Please, let's all take note that the content of this video is not a financial advice, so do well to visit your own financial advice because I'm not an authority on NFTs. Those of you who are new, you might be wondering what NFTs are. NFTs are non-fungible tokens that can be used in a decentralized application to create a unique data item. So that is to say that NFTs are unique data items that are different from what any other person must have created. It can be anything, either by image, item, or car, or anything you wish to use as an NFT, in which you can be able to create, and which can be unique on its own, and you make it your own and make a lot of fortune out of it. It should not look like someone, so that means you need to be unique on its own. So you need to think about which NFTs or which item you want to use as an NFT and make it your own and start making a lot of fortune out of it. So how do you go about creating these NFTs? You can use the decentralized wallet that are available, such as the Trust Wallet, the MetaMask, and any other wallet that is on the decentralized blockchain. So on this video, I'm going to be using the Trust Wallet to show you how you can be able to create these NFTs on your own. I'm going to be using the Polygon blockchain, in which you can be able to create these NFTs for free right now. So follow through as I'm going to be showing you every single details on how you can be able to do this on your own and start making money for yourself. So the very first thing you need to do is to come down to this area here, to this tabs, click on it. Then once you click on it, you type OpenSea.io. Then you click on search. Once you click on search, it will bring you to this very page, allow you to load up. Okay guys, once it has loaded up like this, the very first thing you need to do is to come to this area that it says create. You click on create here. Once you click on create, you have the option for you to create an NFT for yourself. This OpenSea gives you the opportunity to discover, collect and sell NFT and also create NFT for yourself. So once you open on the create aspect, you will see where it gives you the option now for you to bring in your NFT image. So whatever image you have in which you know you want to sell as an NFT, you can now bring it in from here. So I'll go to my gallery now and bring in one of the NFT that I have or picture that I have. So let me just use this particular one. Okay, so I'll use this one here and I'll give it a name. Let me give it angry ape. So here you have the option for you to put in an external link, either your website link or whatever link you want to put in this particular option here. So down here you have to give a description of what your NFT is. So the NFT you just inserted, you just need to put in the description. So I have to put one here. I'll say that this angry ape NFT, this angry ape NFT will change the world. So whatever thing you want to put as a description, you have the option to do that. Then you now come down. Once you come down here, you now have the option for you to put in how many supply you want to put. But it will not appear because it is on the Ethereum blockchain. This is where you have to do the magic by putting in the Polygon blockchain instead of the Ethereum blockchain, which will help you to do it for free. So I have to select it, Polygon blockchain. Then once I have selected it, I have go back here now and add how many number of ape in which I want to sell right now, or the NFT that I want to sell. I can say 100. Then once I go down, I'll click on create right here. I will not click on create. I'll have the option here now to click on create. So I'll click on the create. Once I click on the create, it will load up. It will load up, as you can see, and it has loaded up and it has appeared. Okay, and as you can see, it said you created angry ape. Wow. So I have the option now for me to be able to share it in different social media platform. So I can decide to share it on different social media platform in which I want. So if you have influencers, people who you know that can publicize this particular NFT for you in order to draw attention, you are free to do that, and you make a lot of money for yourself. Now the very next thing you have to do is to list it. Yes, this is where it gives you the opportunity for you to sell. So I have to click on the sell aspect right now. Once I click on the sell aspect, it will ask me first question, how many quantities do I want to sell, and I will say I want to sell 99 of each. Then they will not ask me how much do I want to sell it for. I will not tell them the amount. So I want to sell one for 0. Okay, one must be, I will sell one for 2.508. So that's what I will sell one for. Then they are asking me how many days of duration do I want to leave. So I want to select the duration. So I'll click on how many days to duration, 1 month. Once I select the duration 1 month, and I'm okay with it, I'm okay with everything here, and you say it will start, the starting date it will be today. Yes, let it be listed today, and then it will run for 1 month. Okay, nice. 1 month should be March 13th. Okay, nice too, no problem. Then I'll now go to the timing. I can select the timing is okay for me. It's nice for me. So once I've done everything, I've said the duration, all I have to do is to click on complete listing. Once I click on the complete listing, it will appear like this. Once it appears like this, I will now have to sign in order for it to be complete. In order for my listing to be completed, I will click on the sign. Once I click on the sign, it will load up. It will load up, and then as you can see, it says that you have listed your ape as an NFT. As you can see here, it has been listed successfully, and I am good to go. So guys, as you can see, it's already been listed, and you can start making money out of it. So do the same thing so that you can also get the same result, and you start making money out of this NFT and all of that. You can join my Telegram channel so you can get free NFT books in which I have dropped there already. It's all for free. You can get them and then know more about NFT and all of that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button, and go to the comment section, type NFT, let us create an algorithm and make this video go a long way. See you on my next video. Peace.